posts.
When last we left, we had the post up there, but it needed some formatting. It shows up, but it needs a little bit dressing up. So let's go back and edit it some more. Top left-hand corner, click on Let's Party, you can click on the name, or you can click on Dashboard. It'll jump you back to the WordPress dashboard. Click on Posts, and there's your post. You click on the name, and now you're back into your editing mode. So let's make it look a little bit better. Let's take the top sentence, make it a little more prominent. I don't want to do H1 because the title page, that's the size of the grand opening text. So let's do an H2, that makes it bigger. And I'm going to take the text at the bottom, and I'm going to make that an H2 as well. And then I would just kind of like to bump this down to the next line. We'll do that. And let's just save this. We're going to update it. We're going to see the update right there. Another way of viewing it is you can click on the View Post right here. This jumps you directly to the post page. And it shows the name of the post. And then it shows that this is much larger. And it shows this is much larger. So it shows what editing we've done. We can then go back. We can click on the Edit Post button. Brings us right back into here to edit the post. I don't think I like that big tall thing there. So I'm going to change that back down to paragraph text, but I am going to make it bold. Now, I'd like to add an image to this. For posts, what we're going to be doing is using what's called a featured image down here. On the lower right hand side in your sidebar, is a thing called featured image. What we're going to do is we're going to add a featured image. I'm going to click on that, and it brings up our media library. Now I already have an image in here which I'd like to use. But if I didn't, I would click on Upload Images. Then you can just drag and drop an image right onto this window from the desktop. Or you can click here and then you can go find the image. So if I wanted to go find the image, I would navigate to the image. And then it would put it in there. And then it would appear in your media file. For now, we're just going to choose this image. I've already uploaded it. So I'm just going to click on the image, which is the same thing you do after you've uploaded it. It shows it on the right-hand side. And then you say set, right down here in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a set featured image button. You click that. As you'll see now, over here on the right, it shows that this is a featured image. If you added the wrong one, or you wanted to change it, you can click here where it says remove featured image. It takes it off, and now you can add another one. I'm just going to add back the one I had before. There it is there. And now we're back. Okay, now I'm going to update it. I'm going to say, there's another way of viewing the post right here, is a View Post button. Click that, and you're viewing your post. And it shows that I made the text smaller and bolder here, and it shows our image here. You'll also notice, because I've added a featured image over here on our sidebar, now it shows this little image thing here, this little thumbnail thing here next to our blurb, which looks nice when you go to the home page and you see the latest post. It has it crops it down and puts it here so it looks nice. And also when you go to the blog page, it shows it here. This is called the blog roll. It shows all the blogs you have, but it shows a little blurb of it here. And then of course when you go to the page, it shows up here. So it's nice to have that image, that functionality. You just add the image and it adds it here and here. So now we can go back to the Edit Post page. You can also change your visibility. Over here on the Publish side, the other thing to know about is you could set this to Published, which is what it is now. You could also set it to Pending Review or Draft. You click one of those, you click OK, and then it changes, it takes it off the viewable. It saves it, but it's not viewable on the front end before, so later on you can come in and edit it and finish it and do what you want. If you wanted to make a word clickable, linkable, let's say you want to take the word more or more post, post more, and you want that to be a clickable link right up here. There's a clickable link. You click on that, you type in a URL, and then a little title. And you can have it open in the same window or open in a new tab. You click apply. Now it's a little clickable link, and when you hit update and you go back to view the post, you'll notice that this word is now clickable. You mouse over it, you click on it, it takes you to this marvelous web page. So we want to go back here. So we want to take that off, so we go back up to the top, edit post. If you want to remove that link, you just highlight it, and you'll see that these are both highlighted now. If you just click that, it looks like a chain, a broken chain, and if you mouse over it, it says unlink. You click that, and it takes it off, and you're good to go. When you're finished, you're doing your editing, and everything looks the way you want it to look, and it's updated and published, and you want to log out, you just go up to the right-hand side, just mouse over it, you don't have to click. Go down to logout, click on logout. It kicks you back out to the logout page, and then you can click back and you go back to the front, and there you are.
Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more stuff from